Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix your TikTok account was permanently banned. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open your internet browser and go to support.tiktok.com. Once you're here on the search bar, go to Account Unbanned. Just search the following words, then hit enter. Once the browser finishes loading, tap on Account Safety this time. Now, all you gotta do is wait for the website to load once again. In here, scroll down. And then, go to Report a Problem. It's a highlighted word. It says please send a report here. Tap on it. Now wait for the website to load once again. All you gotta do right now is input your details. Number 1, your email address. Then your username. Make sure these are the details used in your very own TikTok account. Over at Topics, go to Account Ban or Suspension. In Tell Us More, go to Others. Over at the box, How Can We Help? State your plea here or your case so that support.tiktok.com could easily pinpoint your problem. Or you could also follow the words that I'm stating here on my screen. All up to you, man. Go ahead, I'll wait for you to finish. Don't worry, I'm just here. Go ahead and take your time. You should be close to finishing right now. Once done, you can also go ahead and upload attachments to support your case over at tiktok.support. Now click on the 2 boxes and then click on Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and as always, subscribe.